Let's give a nice healthier twist to the regular pasta. Let's make it healthy. My son is fond of white sauce pasta, so I try to make a healthier version of it where I'm adding rainbow colors of vegetables. You can add whatever the choice of vegetables you like or your kids like. Now I am adding simple spices so that the recipe is very simple and you can make it anywhere, anytime in the kitchen. So I'm using a rice paper since it's very low in carbs, so I'm taking this version of it, and it's very simple to make also. So once the rice paper is dipped in water for 30 seconds, it's good to go and it's very pliable. Now I've filled everything, whatever the mixture I have made, I have filled it in the rice paper, and now it goes for the toasting. This I'm toasting it in butter because it gives a very nice crispy texture to it, and it's very flavorful also because of the butter. So now these are done. Let's keep them aside and make the white sauce pasta. And this is a very simple, no maida or no corn flour kind of pasta sauce, and I'm going to make it in minutes. Like, it only needs some garlic, butter, cream, and just little bit of cheese, and that's it. You can add some oregano and chili flakes to give it a flavor. And now the testing times comes. I'm going to give it to my son and let's see what he has to say about it. So, Mr. Prithvi Soma, how's it?
Yep. Forget pasta.
Yay!